Welcome. Today I will show you how you can turn on DSEEHX on your WH-1000XM3 Sony headphones. So you have to simply open the headphones application, go for the sound, and when you are here you have to scroll down, and in this place you will find this technology DSEEHX. So to turn it on, you have to just simply click on the feature, and if you don't know what it is, there's the small preview of this feature. So basically when we are using the lossy music files like MP3, it just upscale this files to sound like high resolution quality, so like AAC for example, or FLAC. So that's definitely worth to turn it on when you are using this lousy music files. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.